when the blades have stuff in it. Possibly that's why it won't start. Now it's getting tight. There it goes. That's probably it, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, here we are. Grabbed a new tiller. I'm wondering why my pull cord is loose like this. I pushed the red button in. You see that? I've already pushed this 10 times. I don't know if this has anything to do with it. Okay, guys, so this is just a hunch. I'm not sure if it's this intelligent or not, but you see all of that there. The last time I used it, I had to put it away real quick because we leave it inside of the center, the community center, and I didn't have time to take this off. So I'm going to check and see if this is the reason it's not starting, because if I do recall, I had something caught in the blades before and I took it off and it started, but I'm not sure if that's why it started. But we're going to test this theory now. So if it starts right after this, it must be something digital or some sensor that says, hey, your blades are jacked up, or they got stuff in them, they can't jack them up. We're not going to start. So let's see. I need to get something to do this better. This is cutting it, which is good. It's going to make it a little bit easier, but something smaller. Okay, guys, there we go. And here's the moment of truth in this minute here. I'm pushing the, can you see it? I'm gonna push the choke. That's all clear, pretty much. Set up the camera, and let's go see if this starts. Now, if it starts, there you go. That was the reason. Choke is in. Coming over to the location. Hopefully, guys, let's go. That is not it. I don't get it, man. Before, it took a minute and then did the same thing. It took a minute, then it started. Uh-oh. There you go. That might be it. I don't know. Possibly it, guys. When the blades have stuff in it, possibly that's why it won't start, which is weird, which is a great self mechanism. But there you go. Now it's getting tight. There it goes. That's probably it, guys. Let's go. Okay, well, I still think that's it. I think when it gets full, if the blades get full, that probably stops it from pulling. Wow, we might have learned something here. Let's see, guys. We're gonna try it again. May not be it, but